enjoy driving your S550 Mustang on the road, but when you put the pedal down, you might notice a delay in throttle response. That delay is because of the electronically controlled throttle body, and JMS has a way to completely eliminate the delay and give you a whole new driving experience. Introducing PedalMax, the industry's first solution to eliminate throttle lag and slow-moving throttle blades. A plug-and-play product designed to improve throttle response and decrease turbo lag in EcoBoost models, improving bottom-end and mid-range torque. With PedalMax installed, we saw a nice pickup in the mid-range of our power band. The installation takes less than 5 minutes. Disconnect your car's negative battery terminal. Plug the black box from the kit into the supplied harness. Locate your car's accelerator pedal assembly and the associated pedal sensor under the dash. Unplug the factory harness from the pedal and plug it into the PedalMax harness. Then finish under the dash by plugging the PedalMax harness into the pedal assembly. Reconnect your negative battery terminal, and you're done. No programming or other modifications are required. Take your Mustang onto the road and enjoy your improved throttle response thanks to PedalMax.